What is up, guys? Joe here, back with another video. Today I wanted to cover how to stake and earn rewards on the USDC stablecoin. Inside the crypto.com app, you can actually earn up to 14% APR simply for staking USDC or other similar stablecoins. Now, this return rate is much higher than some of the other competitors out there, including Coinbase, Kraken, Nexo, Celsius, Binance. So if you're looking to earn a steady income for staking stablecoins, my top recommendation would be crypto.com because their return rate is consistent and it's steady and reliable. So for anyone who's looking to earn a high yield that acts like a savings account, staking stablecoins is the way to go. So with that being said, let's get started. So you're probably wondering, what is USDC? USDC coin is a stablecoin that is pegged to the US dollar on a one-to-one basis. Every unit of this cryptocurrency in circulation is backed up by $1 that is held in reserve in a mix of cash and short-term US Treasury bonds. The Center Consortium, which is behind this asset, says USDC is issued by regulated financial institutions. The stablecoin originally launched on a limited basis in September 2018. Put simply, USDC mantra is digital money for the digital age. The stablecoin is designed for a world where cashless transactions are becoming more common. Several use cases have been unveiled for the USDC coin, as well as providing a safe haven for crypto traders in times of volatility. Those behind the stablecoin say it can also allow businesses to accept payments in digital assets and shake up an array of sectors, including decentralized finance and gaming. Overall, the goal is to create an ecosystem where USDC is accepted by as many wallets, exchanges, service providers, and dApps as possible. So along with Coinbase, Center did manage to create this stablecoin for thousands of users around the world, and currently there is 42 billion in circulation, and it just keeps growing every month. And the cool thing is USDC is available on several blockchains, including Ether, Algorand, Solana, Stellar, Tron, Hedera, Hashgraph, and Avalanche, with many more coming in the new year. And if you look at CoinMarketCap, we do see that USDC is ranked number 7 by market cap with over 42 billion in circulation, and it's pegged to the American dollars. It'll always retain a value of $1, so don't expect this to moon anytime. So the cool thing about stablecoins is you can use it as a liquid asset within exchanges. So if you wanted to convert some of your crypto to something stable, you can always convert Bitcoin into USDC or Ethereum into USDC. That way you can lock in profits during a bull run. So back at the crypto.com website, they do have a handy calculator where you can calculate what your yearly reward payout would be if you were to stake within the app. So within this earn page, you would click on the calculate rewards button, and from here make sure you've chosen USDC coin. And so actually they prefer if you stake their native Crow token within the app, but I realize most of you are not staking Crow, so we're going to choose 400 or less, and it asks you what the term limit would be for your deposit. 3 months would yield you 10% APR, 1 month would yield you 8% APR, and flexible, meaning you can unstake at any time, would yield you 6% APR on USDC stablecoin. So now for starters, let's just say we went ahead and deposited $1,000. So right off the bat, if we deposited 1,000 USDC for 3 months, our return rate would be 10% APR. So at the end of the year, you would earn $100. If you were to stake $10,000, your total earnings would be $1,000 at the end of the year, and again the same APR at 10%. So now let's say you do own Crow tokens and you are actively staking Crow at the same time, your APR rate actually increases. So if you were to stake 4,000 or above of the Crow token, your APR for stable coins bumps up a whole 2 percentage points. So instead of 10%, you would be earning 12%. So now in this example, if you were to stake 10,000 of USDC, you would earn 12% APR, and that would net you $1,200 in rewards. Very cool. And for the high rollers out there, if you were to stake over 40,000 or more in Crow token, that bumps you up to the 14% APR range. But like I said, I know most of you are not staking this amount, so let's keep it simple and choose the minimum amount, which is 400 or less. You could even have it at 0 CRO stake. And so keep in mind, for the 3-month term limit, that does mean the funds are locked up for 3 months. You do have to wait a whole 90 days for you to withdraw the money. And the cool thing is, USDC is not the only stablecoin available to you to stake. You can actually do DAI, which is another popular stablecoin. And DAI was created by MakerDAO, and this is an algorithmic stablecoin. So instead of backed by the American dollar, DAI is backed by a variety of assets, including crypto, bonds, and dollars. And the same reward payout applies here, 10%. And one more would be TrueUSD Stablecoin, and the same applies here, 10% APR. I would recommend you do 3 months, and you would earn 1,000 at the end of the year for staking this. So for any investor who's looking to make passive income on their crypto, I highly recommend you have some of your position held in USDC and you're actively staking your holdings. That way you can earn your yield just for holding your coins. And 10% is high considering some of the competitors out there are offering less than half. So I'm super bullish on the crypto.com platform and super bullish on USDC expanding their market cap into other blockchains. And lastly, these rates don't even compare to what some of the American banks are offering in their CD and saving rates. Some of these banks are offering less than a percentage for keeping your money in a savings account. Honestly, it's a joke. There are better alternatives for you out there, and USDC is the perfect example. It will always retain its value of $1, and it's very liquid. You can sell once your term limit is up within staking. So now let's go ahead and buy and stake USDC within the crypto.com app. Open the crypto.com app, navigate to the USDC coin page, buy USDC. The minimum amount needed to stake is 250 USDC. There's a 3% fee for every credit card purchase. Agree, confirm, enter your passcode. Purchase was successful. Navigate back to the home page. Click on the crow icon in the bottom center. Click on the Earned tab. Click on the plus icon on the top right. Select USDC coin. Select 3 months. Continue. Agree to all the terms and conditions. Deposit. Verify the information is correct. Enter your passcode. Success! Now you've successfully began staking your USDC, and you can view the progress under the Crypto Earn tab. Payouts are made once a week. Great, and that's it. Great, that was easy. I'm super bullish on the crypto.com platform, even their CRO token, which has been gaining a lot of momentum lately. I do have a separate video on how to stake the native CRO token within the app, so go ahead and check that out. The link is up here on the top right corner. So let me know what you think about USDC stablecoin. Are you a fan? Do you use any stablecoins? What do you like about the staking features within the crypto.com app? Let me know in the comment section. So I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a question in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.